How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone's name. First, we're going to go to settings. In my case, you can see the icons right here, but you can also find it in the search bar by swiping down from the middle of your screen like so. You're going to type settings. As you can see, the icon is right here. Just click on it. And now we're going to go to scroll down right here where it says general. Click on that. And then we're going to click on the first option that says about. As you can see, the first option we have is the name. In my case, it says Alex's iPhone. If you want to change that, just click on that. And then you can either select right here, or if you want to start from if you want to start fresh, just click on the X right here and just type for example, I'm going to say this is Johnny's iPhone. You can type whatever you want. You can type office iPhone if you want. You can get creative. And once you're done, just go back to your home screen by swiping up from the bottom of your screen like so. And that's it. Now, why would you want to change your iPhone's name? When you connect to other devices via Bluetooth, or when you share your hotspot, even when you connect to your iTunes account, that's the name that's going to be represented for your iPhone. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this helps you, and please like and subscribe so I can give you guys more tips.